Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, in continuation with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, we have another special unboxing, and of course this is of the Ringke Fusion X case. So this is the Ringke Fusion X case, and of course this is for the S22 Ultra. This is one of the more popular cases that you can get for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. One of the things I like about this device, as seen here, which is the Fusion X Galaxy S22 case in black. You can actually get this in a camouflage back or of course a clear back. I went for the clear back. As you can see, this is an eco package, meaning most likely it's made from recycled plastic, or of course it might just mean it's biodegradable. It does explain right here. It says it's environmentally friendly, packaged with minimal use of earths, and I'm not sure what it's saying here, but of course you can know that you're helping to protect the environment. Of course we all should be responsible and not pollute. All right, so of course I like the packaging. It's very lightweight and minimalistic. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll have a link below in the description, guys. So of course show your support. It's a affiliate link, so if you buy it will help support the channel. And you can see the website here, which is ringke.com, and it gives you the recycling information here. It tells you about the amount of people that are using Ringke products. All right, so this was a highly recommended case. It gets a 4.5 stars out of 5, which is pretty good, and a lot of people have bought this for their device. So Ringke is one of those brands. So I won't keep talking any longer. I'll open this device up. So you have seen the outer case, and of course if I go ahead, I'll just open this up, and this is brand new. And right away you can see here they give you the instruction, and it does run you through the information right here. It says protective film removal guide. It breaks down the process of getting off the protective film that protects the back from scratches. All right, it does give you in English and in what seems to be Chinese, if not Japanese. All right, so this is blank, and of course gives you some information here. 20% off coupon. It says enter the coupon code, so I think the coupon code is hidden inside. I won't show this off, but of course they seem to make a variety of products and they do come with quality. So I'm gonna put this aside right away, guys. As I said, this is a review of the case itself. You can see the case, not bad. We can see the protective film that it says to remove. We'll use these tabs to remove both on the inside and on the outside. One of the things I like about this case, guys, is the edge protection. Now the S22 Ultra is very heavy, and of course you need that extra protection or drop protection. So although it says that the S22 has the latest in Gorilla Glass, that's very tough, you still do not want to put that to the test, as we have seen in various reports that if you do drop the phone, the screen can be damaged. I suggest that you pick up both a screen protector and of course a case, and a recommended case. So as you can see the case here, the back is transparent. You can also get this in camo color. It also has a raised lip around the camera. That's one of the reasons why I chose this, meaning if you place your device on a table, it won't scratch up the lens. And you do have to watch out for those lens scratches, of course, because the S22's main feature is the cameras, and you don't want to damage them right off the bat. This raised lip will prevent it from being scratched. All right, it's see-through, meaning there's nothing here. Here is protected from scratches. You'll see the sides. Here we have the volume up and down. We have the power. And of course, there's a section here for a linear loop, meaning you can attach a dongle or have this around your neck if you so wish. Here we have the S Pen section. We have the port for charging here and the speaker grill over here. All right, so that's not bad at all. On this side, it's another linear loop section. Of course, there's the FX logo at the side. At the top, there's a section for the hole. And of course, the sections around here is rubberized. And this feels pretty sturdy, meaning if I were to drop my device, of course, by mistake, I would not worry much about it, as I think this should be able to provide protection. The rubber is somewhat soft, but yet slightly rigid, meaning that it's good at absorbing shock. So the back and the sides of the device will be protected. And of course, there's no exposed area, meaning there is not a chance that you will adversely damage the device. So for a case that would take the damage, I suggest that you make that investment, guys. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the device. So just running through this again. I don't think this come in black. As I said, you can get this in camo on the back or clear. Clear I recommend for those persons who have one of those rare colors. You want to show off your color. But of course, if you're having like a black like mine, it doesn't really matter which one you choose, as the black will blend in with the rest of this. And of course, guys, with the camo, it can work in either case, but for black kind of blends with anything. So of course, these cases would look even better with a colored device. So of course, the black is more flexible. All right, I like this support for the corners. This means added protection for the corner. So if shock were to hit the inner sections, it would not damage the device still, as this rubberized section does extend in. You see the Ringke logo here. And of course, guys, I'm gonna show you next what it looks like once we get this out of the case and once it's in there, and I'll basically give you my feedback. Remember, the link is below that you can purchase. All right. Alright guys, so we're going to install the case on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, brand new out of the box. So you can check it out, guys. This is my S22 Ultra in Phantom Black. And as you can see, it's brand new. The screen protector or the plastic and everything is on. I'm just going to show you how to install this, which is pretty simple. So we're going to go ahead, guys, and we're going to peel off the plastic. And of course, it slides right off. And of course, this is quite satisfying. All right. And as you can see here, guys, this is the case. Very clear, nice. And it looks even better with the plastic off. It's super clear, as you can see in the background there, except for the glare. It's almost as if there's nothing there. All right. So we have the phone over here, and you can see the back is black. And what we're going to do here, guys, is simply remove this plastic covering. There you go. We have the beautiful back, and of course this is the plastic cover here. It does say Samsung, and the black does shine through nicely. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply place on the case. So as it relates to the case, should be easy. Right, it slides right in. There we go, guys. So it slides right in nicely and everything fits snug. Check out the back of the device, guys. Although it's clear, it gives the back a very nice look. You can even see the color due to the clarity, which is very nice. I thought the black would blend, but it didn't blend. It actually highlights the color at the back. The cameras look quite nice, as you can see. Sorry for the glare. And you have the front of the device right here, looking really immaculate. All right. And if we go ahead, you can see the device right here. Let me just unlock. And as you can see, very nice. You'll have to be careful which screen protector you do get, but as you can see, guys, the sides of the device is protected. Everything looks snug. The buttons work flawlessly, and you can see here again. All right, so I'm loving what I'm seeing. I have some reflection there, but of course everything turned out nicely. I must say I am very happy I chose this case. It matches the black nice, and it doesn't make the case doesn't make the phone very bulky. So that's another nice addition. It basically accentuates the case and hugs every aspect of it, which looks very, very nice. I highly recommend this case on first impressions. If you have any direct questions, you can ask them below. I'll put a link as well. I think this is going to be one of the top cases you can get for your device. You can see the S Pen port, you can see the mic port. None of the ports are blocked, and of course all the ports are accounted for. This thing was well designed. So again, guys, I'm loving this case. First impressions, I give it a 10 out of 10. Over time I'll review, but of course I think this is one of the best cases in that it keeps the phone slim. It has adds no additional bulk, and it makes it even look better and protects your cameras. I'll have no problem putting this down on a table as it won't scratch the lens at the back, and I'm very impressed. All right, guys, so I'm in the tutorial here. As always, guys, if you have any feedback on this or any questions, please ask. As always, guys, recorded from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.